Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So I'm back with another tutorial. So in this video I will show you how you can fetch your data, like basically your list from Laravel side, that is from your API. So now let's get started with today's video. So firstly let me start by showing you Vue. So here you can see form that from my previous video I'm using for creating contacts, and this one is list. So here I will be displaying all those contacts from my DB. So in my previous video I have created this view, and also using Axios I have sent a get request to my Laravel side that to fetch this list. So let me show you a network tab. Here you can see it's right now currently saying 404 not found, as I have not created anything related to Laravel side. In my previous video I've just shown you Vue side. So now let me show you database so you can see this. So I'll be using this database to fetch list. Basically I'll be showing these three in my list. So in my previous video I have created one route in Vue, and this one is component that I have created for displaying list. I have just shown you in the starting, and this one is Axios that will be going to API contact list. So now let's get started with creating our API. So let's go to api.php and let's create another route and with get. Here write the URL that you have passed in your Axios. So I have written contact list, and it will go to contact controller index function. So now let's go to contact controller index function. So here also you can see comment display our listing of the resource. So we'll be using index for displaying our list. So previously store function we have used for inserting into our database. So now we need to display list. So let's go and write in index function. So now let's take first a variable, let's say contact list, and after that let's call contact model here. So that you need to import also on top, and from there I'll be fetching all data right now. I'm not like putting any where condition, anything like that. I'm just getting all data. So it depends on your requirement how you want to fetch your data. So according that you need to build your query. So after that let's check if data is not empty, then what to return, and if it's empty then what to return. So response we will be sending as a JSON. So for that we will be calling response then JSON, and inside that we will be defining, let's say, status. So if data is not empty and everything is okay, then we will be sending 200 status, and then message. Let's send message contact list and then data. So data will be passing this variable contact list. Now in else condition, if empty data is there, so we will be sending 422 as a status code, and data will be blank. Message, let's say no data found. So now let's check in browser, refresh. So let me show you in network. Here you can see now three entries are present in our data. You can see status 200 message. So now let me just revert the, let's say, condition. Let's say if it's not empty, then send the below one to just show you response how it's working. So now let's go to contact list, and now you can see if there will be error, it will say 422 message no data found and blank data. So status you can send like this also if you want to, like your own status you want to send. But if you want to use HTTP response, so for that you need to define after your message. So here it will be 200 and below 422. So now let's go to browser and refresh. So now you can see in headers 422 process. Now this one is request status code will be treated. So here instead of sending manually, you can also use response class. So let's go and use it, response, and this one will be 200 is having HTTP OK. So that we will be using, and for below 422 we will be having response HTTP unprocessable entity. So that's the flexibility of Laravel, that you can use directly classes install. So instead of writing manually. So that's all in this video. In this video I've shown you how you can fetch a list from your DB and how you can send your data as a response. So in my next video, I'll show you how to display that data into your view in like table that we have created. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you have doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.